Welcome back, fellow space enthusiasts. Today, we have an electrifying topic to discuss: magnetars. These enigmatic celestial objects are some of the most fascinating and powerful in the universe. I'm your host, the Space Lady. Join us as we explore the captivating world of magnetars. What is a magnetar? Magnetars are a rare breed of neutron stars, which are incredibly dense remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova. What sets magnetars apart is their mind-boggling magnetic fields. Magnetars possess the strongest magnetic fields known in the universe. Imagine having a magnetic field so intense that it could distort the atoms in your body from thousands of kilometers away. That's the power of a magnetar. How do magnetars form? When a massive star explodes in a supernova, it collapses under its own gravitational pull. The core collapses to an incredibly dense mass, forming a neutron star. In the case of magnetars, their extreme magnetic fields are thought to arise from a process called magnetic field amplification. As the core collapses, the magnetic field lines get twisted and compressed, resulting in an ultra-strong magnetic field. Mind-boggling phenomena. One of the most awe-inspiring events associated with magnetars is called a giant flare. These flares release an enormous amount of energy and emit high-energy photons across the electromagnetic spectrum. In fact, a magnetar flare can release more energy in a few seconds than our sun emits in 10,000 years. Another peculiar behavior of magnetars is their ability to produce bursts of X-rays and gamma rays. These bursts, known as soft gamma repeaters and anomalous X-ray pulsars, occur sporadically and have durations ranging from milliseconds to minutes. Unleashing the power. We've talked about the immense power of magnetars, but what does that mean for their surroundings? Well, the intense magnetic fields generate powerful magnetic storms that can affect their immediate vicinity. These storms can generate powerful jets of particles and intense bursts of high-energy radiation, influencing the environment around the magnetar. Potential implications. Apart from their incredible scientific value, magnetars have potential implications for our understanding of the universe. Some scientists speculate that magnetars could be connected to the enigmatic phenomena known as fast radio bursts, FRBs. FRBs are brief, intense bursts of radio waves coming from distant galaxies. While their origins remain mysterious, magnetars are among the leading candidates for producing these energetic signals. And there you have it, our journey into the captivating realm of magnetars. From their mind-boggling magnetic fields to their awe-inspiring phenomena, these celestial powerhouses continue to astound and challenge our understanding of the universe. What secrets will future discoveries unveil? We can't wait to find out. As always, thank you for joining us on this electrifying exploration. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting cosmic adventures. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.